Roadside rescue tonight. My daughter's boyfriend said all the lights came on and he lost his power steering. We got the car running. Let's get it back to the shop and see what's up. I threw an extra battery in it to limp it home. Let's see what this thing, if it's charging or not. No, not charging. And when he told me he lost the power steering, I thought he lost the belt, but all the belts are on here. And then I remembered that this car has an electric steering rack, so no battery juice, no power steering. So we're gonna need an alternator for this thing. 2012 Corolla. We'll be doing an alternator replacement. We got our new alternator in the mail. Looks like the right one. We got to get this cover piece off. There we go. Tensioner is right there. We need to loosen up the belt. We got our battery disconnected. Now we need to work on getting the wiring disconnected first. All right, we got to get the wire unhooked here. There is a nut holding the wiring harness on with a little bracket over here, but you could slide the wiring harness off. You got to pull back on that little tab and wiggle this. Pop that off out of the way there. And while we're at it, we could leave the bracket on there now. We got to put that bracket onto the new alternator. We need to unplug this. There is a tab, a little button you got to push on here. Sometimes they could be pretty stuck. A wiggle. All right, we got that off. And we need to get to the nut that's underneath here. We got this plastic cover that's probably going to break because it's brittle and old. How are we going to get it off? There we go. Wiggle it a little bit. Get that nut off of there. That should be 10 millimeter. It looks really rusty. And here, there we go. Get our wiring pulled out of the way here. Got 12 millimeter on that top nut. Tensioner is on the same thing. That nut's going to have to come completely off, or excuse me, it's a bolt. Before we pull it out, we need to get to the bolt that's in the bottom. Let me get a light. Got the bottom bolt down right there. What size is it? I'm going to guess that it's a 14. Let's see if I'm right. Yep, 14 millimeter. Let's see if a deep socket helps me a little bit better here. This bolt out of here, 12. There we go. that. The belt, we're just going to move it out of the way. Make sure it doesn't really fall off of where it's got to go. We're reusing the old belt. It's fine. He needs to get to work tomorrow. So we got to get this fixed. Now 14 down here. It's hard for you to see it. It's a little rusty. It doesn't want to come out but my fingers. I'll have to force it. This is a pretty straightforward alternator to do. Not too bad. To fight some rusty bolts here and there. This one is extremely long. There we go. Rust. Rust makes every job go horribly wrong. Not that bad in this case. Get this wire down, pushed out of the way. And now we should be able to just wiggle this thing out of here. It's going to be stuck on the bottom where it pivots. Almost there. And you know what? All right. Will it come out without the bracket moved? Barely. All right, let's get that out of the way. I thought I could squeak past it, but it's going to be a no. That's also, what, 12? All right, let's get this bracket out of the way. Give us a little extra room. All right, there we go. We need to get our little bracket off over there for the wiring. That's 10 millimeter. We'll pull that off, put it onto the new one. Clean up the threads on the bolt before you put it back in so you don't have to fight with it again. And make sure it threads in nice and easy so you could use your fingers to tighten the bolt in rather than have to fight with it with a wrench down in a tight spot. Let's put this back where it came from. Run it in, finger tight. And we gotta get our belt back on. Check all the pulleys, make sure you have it where it needs to be. I'll look down deep, make sure they're all riding in the right groove. Otherwise you'll go to start it and it'll fly off. Get our bracket back over here. Get our bracket in here. Find our bolt. All right, who's blowing up my phone? Gotta stop. Okay, we got our belt tight. And if you notice, this is a lot closer. Like, what is going on here? I measured the pulley on the alternator compared to the old one, and this one is a tiny bit smaller. Not enough that it should cause a problem, but at this point, we need this car to go. So, run what you got, and you get what you pay for. So, this was $80-something online. So we'll see. If it's a problem, I will send it back. But right now, let's go with it. That little clip could be pushed back in. That's pushed on. Tighten up our 10mm nut here. Do I want to take this out again? No. If it works. What I could also do is, if there's issues, pull the pulley off of the old one, put it on here. Let's get our battery hooked up. All right, charged up the old battery. Started it up. Nope. All right. 14 volts. Charging good. All the belts look good. Power steering again, yeah. Okay, last step. Put our cover back on. That's it. If you found this video, please do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.